Well, here we are, another camera unboxing video. I don't hate it, this is what my channel is becoming now, but my bank account is starting to get really low. I might be in serious debt now. RZ67 Pro II. I bought it like last year. Didn't end up using it that much, mainly for the fact that it's too big and bulky. You're probably gonna notice I'm packaging up the RZ67 Pro II and shipping it off to a customer that I found on eBay for it. But the one time I did decide to take it out, it was super heavy. It was a pain to carry, and with Canada being snowy as hell right now, like it usually is. So I bought the new camera a couple of weeks ago. It was supposed to be delivered on the 19th, but DHL for some godforsaken reason decided that we're not going to deliver it to you. It's undeliverable. I saw the same status message on their website for the last 3 days, and with the weekend approaching, I definitely wasn't gonna leave my camera over with them over the weekend while I could actually go out and use it instead. So what I decided was me and Joanna were gonna go to their service center point and just pick it up from there. We finally got to DHL. That's where I picked up my package. I really wanted to unbox it. You could probably see the smile on my face.
Hello.
It says we're sorry that we're so fucking late. Should I unbox it right now?
No, nice.
After I got the package and blinding my eyes because there was not a single cloud in the sky, I decided to put on my cool guy glasses. Also stopped at Galaxy Camera on the way to pick up some film. It really did cost all that, I'm not even joking right now. For some reason it says it was undeliverable. The ceiling left. Strap as well. The Mamiya 6, so the cat's out of the bag now. This is what I ended up buying. It's a medium format film camera from Mamiya, obviously with glass that is really sharp. It has a collapsible design where it just fits into this tiny little case and it gets really small and really compact. The other fun thing about this is it's not super heavy, which is super nice because if we're doing longer hikes, I can take my Peak Design tripod with me and I can shoot some long exposures and things like that. So that is something that I'm excited for as well. Obviously, it has a timer, has sleeve shutter, so there's not an actual mirror going up and down. Yeah, so I'm super excited to be having this. I did a little bit of research going forward. If I'm doing any photography gigs and if I ever need to shoot film, I'm pretty sure I can get a lot of stuff done with this camera right here. Also has auto exposure. The only thing that I don't really like is the shutter speeds only go up to like 500, but that is something I'm pretty sure I can work around. It does take 2 LR44 batteries, so I put those in and everything seems to be working just fine. The shutter's working, the self timer is working. That's all I have for you for today. If I end up buying more camera gear, I'm pretty sure I'll make a video about it and cry about how much in debt I am. So make sure you tune in for that as well. But thank you again for watching, and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. And I'm super excited to go out, hopefully soon, and put a few rolls of film in this and vlog this whole process out and see what the images turn out like. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, it's amazing.